When we started Protech, look, it was June 10th, 1993 was the day we started. You know, I borrowed money to start the business, you know, from my dad. The first month of business, we did $15,000 in sales, and we were only in business for about half the month. The second month, we did $30,000. The third, we did $100,000, and then we never looked back. We just kept continuing to grow.
Protech has done a great job of listening to our technicians and the feedback they provide to enhance the way we provide our services, the way we look at the tooling that they need to do their job.
We are very fortunate. We have that 30 years of deep-seated experience that has evolved with the cars. We use the word unicorn around here more often than probably I ever thought I would in my career, because we have so many special people that have all these years of knowledge that they've been able to share and expand through the company. And I truly believe that is another one of our strongest competitive advantages, because the learning curve for a diagnostic technician is long, and you have to have the experience to get there.
We never want to be a company that grows so big that we lose that family feel. And so we really pride ourselves in staying connected, working together, communicating well together, and really at the end of the day, just having fun.
We've grown in our collection of resources and of people, and our people being our most valuable asset. It helps us to be more prepared and more in front of what is to come.
Because it's becoming so technology driven in a vehicle, and to me they're computers on wheels, that car does a lot of stuff and can provide you with a lot of diagnostic information and tell you a lot about the health and or what happened in an impact that can help expedite the repair. It's just not being leveraged yet today.
We really pride ourselves on staying ahead of the game with our innovation departments and research and development departments. We have teams that are constantly researching what's next coming out there, identifying, hey, how can we make the job easier? What things should we be prepared for? If there's a new tool that comes to market, is it going to perform the way we need it to perform?
The one reason why Protech exists is because we always moved with what where our customers were going. This company was built on yes. We're not turning anything away. And so it's still today, it's the house that Yes built. I promise you that.
You think about Protech celebrating its 30th anniversary, and you know, the end of the day is we wouldn't be here without each and every teammate.
To our technicians, our support teams, and all the different staff within our organization, I do thank you. I thank you for doing what you do each and every day.
Thank you for all the customers that you're taking care of. Thank you for truly sharing your information and helping each other grow.
I can't tell you how much I thank you and what you do every day, and I'm in awe of what you're capable, you know, what you're able to do.
It's you that creates the value and the reputation that we have, and we appreciate everything you guys do.